What's the meaning of aqueduct? Aqueduct. Aqueduct.
Aqueduct. Aqueduct. An aqueduct is a man-made structure that is designed to transport water from one location to another. It is typically used to bring water from a remote source to a populated area where it can be distributed for use. Aqueducts can be made from a variety of materials, including stone, brick, concrete, and metal. They are often constructed with arches to support the weight of the water and can span large distances. Aqueducts have been used throughout history to provide water for irrigation, drinking, and sanitation purposes.